Hello, 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 and Happy New Year. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm trying to get myself right. I hope that you had a great, safe, and wonderful New Year. I hope things were going so well for you. Also, I want to tell you that this is a new year. I want to talk about a different topic. And also, Walmart got Christmas stuff. For all of those who didn't get Christmas last year, you're going to get them this year. I'm giving everybody these at 70% off. So if you start seeing some of these in your mailbox, especially in January, Merry Christmas. Okay. So anyway, we're going to get to a topic that I think that is very needed. It needs to be said. It needs to be told. Apparently, you guys, I want to talk about this. I do, because this is something that's been getting on my nerves. And everybody's saying, what is it, Samantha? I get phone calls every day from people who tell me they need help. They asking for my help. They in various types of things. Some with credit acceptance, some with other things, employment law, different things. And the first thing I hear is, "Oh, I paid this person anywhere from $500 to $3,000 on, to get the fix and what it is." So I keep doing this video, but I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to tell you the tips of what you need to do to keep yourself from being scammed from somebody who's saying that that they do legal documents, okay? Now, I know it's hard, especially when you know you got a case and you know that, you got a case. But you know what? You can't get a lawyer to take it. You can't get anybody to take it. So you come to the decision that you go and check social media. A lot of people that contact me through social media. And they say, "Samantha, I got a problem." Okay. And they tell me. One thing about it is this right here. A person who does legal documents don't tell you that they're going to email the judge. That's ex parte. They cannot do that. And I'm not a lawyer when I say this, but they can't do that. Everything that has to be communicated with the judge has to be done through motions, pleadings, as they do. And it has to be formatted in a way that the court can understand. A lot of times, I hear where, I ask somebody, well, when somebody asking me about taking their case and they got somebody that's helping, I'll usually talk to them and I'll ask them certain things because, when I get in, I don't like cleaning up nobody's mess. And a lot of times that's why attorneys don't do pro se work, because a lot of times they're cleaning up somebody else's mess. It is what it is. So I start asking questions. How many motions did you file? What did you file? How did you do this? And then the first thing they tell me, well, we did this. Well, we was asking the judge to tell us our rights. Wrong. Federal judges are not attorneys. Well, they are attorneys, but they're not your attorney, and they're not going to tell you things to help you with their case. Some judges give you breadcrumbs. Some tell you that, of the fact you need to go check the law library. But a judge is not going to tell you your rights when you're before the court, because the court, what it is for you to prove your case, not for him to prove it for you. Second of all, why are you arguing with the judge? Don't argue with the judge. If a judge is telling you you don't have a case, or if a judge is getting smart with you, now a judge has keep in mind now, a judge has under the canons of justice, those are his rules. He cannot talk crazy to you. Now, you can't file a complaint against him, but if he tell you stuff like, you don't have a case, instead of arguing with him about that, you ask to leave the court, fix your stuff, and then come back in, or do something where you can show the court that, okay, I didn't prove my case. Let me get it together. Let me regroup it. Let me do something to it. The court will allow you to do that. But arguing with a judge, I'm telling you, and especially now since they got these Trump supporting judges out, you go argue with a judge, and I guarantee you, that judge is going to start becoming part of the defense and going to make it harder for you. And if you're trying to represent now, that's another thing we're going to get into is representation. But anyway, don't argue with the judge. You be polite and you be courteous and you be nice and you do whatever it is. You do whatever it is. But don't argue with that judge. Don't put yourself in that position. Third is this right here. Don't pay everybody that says that they can do the legal work and they can't. I'm going to be honest. A lot of times when people call me, my heart goes out to them and I try to help them, and I don't charge them a lot. But then here's the flip side about it. I don't charge them a lot and they think I'm the worst thing that it is. Or they feel like they can talk to me any kind of way. But then if I charge them a lot of money, then I don't have a problem. In some cases, it's called compassion. That I may have compassion for you or have compassion for what you're going through. And I'm trying to help you. But don't come to me. And it's wrong for you to come to anybody and say, oh, I paid this person $5,000 and I paid this person $3,000. And then when I say, well, okay, well, I'm charging this amount. Oh, I don't know if I can pay that. Well, then you don't need to be calling me. And a lot of times when you call me, it's messed up. You let 2 or 3 people handle your case. You let 2 or 3 people do whatever. They call themselves an attorney. They call themselves paralegals. I am a ghostwriter. That's what I am. I'm not an attorney. I'm not trying to represent you. I am here to do one thing, and that's to type up the motions that are needed for you to go to court. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So when somebody's saying, well, we brainstorm on what we need to do, how we going to come about it, what kind of evidence you need to present, how we going to present it. That's basically it. But when somebody trying to act like they're an attorney and they're doing this, y'all better watch out. Because at the end of the day, when people come to me and say, well, I paid so-and-so, that has nothing to do with me. It has no bearing on me. And you got to realize something. I have to clean up the mess. And it's hard. A lot of times it's hard. Sometimes I don't catch it. Sometimes I can't. It's so far gone, I can't even do anything. Or it's already going to go, it already went sour. Now it's going to go to the appeal process. And now it is what it is. So if you go, even with me, ask me credentials. Ask me, what can I do to help you? Ask me. And I would do it. A lot of times I give you breadcrumbs on what you need to do to help your case. Even if I don't take it. If I don't help you with it. But like I said, check out. Don't be giving all these people that say that they can help you. Don't give them all your money. And there's some people, I'm going to be honest, I don't like helping because you know what? They feel like, you know what? They expect miracles, especially when they can't produce anything and they get mad at you and want their money back. I can't get my time back. So I thank you guys for listening to this. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you hit my like button. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the notes below, okay? Thank you so much.